الهدم والشهيد في سبيل الله. And he added more in this list later on too. Anyone who dies from a bubonic plague or a plague in general, or an epidemic, a pandemic, anyone who dies from an abdominal disease or a bodily disease, batan is basically below, all of this, below the chest. Someone dying from this, someone who gets drowned, remember the flood in Libya, someone who gets buried under a roof collapsing, people through the earthquakes, they're all martyrs. So actually Allah chose tens and thousands of martyrs who Allah loves so much that Allah knew in His infinite knowledge and in His infinite wisdom that they wouldn't have made it to this level of martyrdom. Some of them may not even have made it to paradise, let alone. So God actually did mercy to them and He chose them among martyrs. Of course, for that, the